sunshine fading slow, snowflakes on the ground again. The waiting is all we know. Will we ever make it out? I need a piece of your heart, honey. We're almost home. I can't make it here on my own. You'll be the first one, I'll be the last, babe. Just say what's on your mind again and again. It might seem too long, but I can promise keep on going, 'cause we're almost home. The heartbreak is setting in. Will we ever make it out? I need a piece of your heart, honey. We're almost home. I can't make it here on my own. You'll be the first one, I'll be the last, babe. Just say what's on your mind again and again. It might seem too long, but I can promise keep on going, 'cause we're almost home. It might seem impossible, but I love you either way it goes. Oh, it might seem impossible, but here I am, here you are.
Who gives this woman away to be married?
Father, mother.
Thank you. You may be seated. Today, Ted and Julie will receive God's greatest gift, another person to share with, grow with, change with, be joyful with, and to stand with as one when trials and tribulation enter their lives. You know, it's truly a pleasure to get to know Ted and Julie better as we met to discuss this marriage, and I found out how strong of a bond these two hold with one another, and it goes much deeper than rocking out at Rocklahoma together, or even surviving through tornadoes together. Their bond's firm foundation is built upon love, trust, kindness, forgiveness, and compassion to one another. And I asked Ted, I said, "Ted, what do you love about Julie?" And he was quick to tell me how comfortable he was with her and how she just felt like home. I asked the same question to Julie. I said, "Julie, what do you love about Ted?" And she said, "What I love the most sometimes drives me crazy." And it was Ted's strong nature, the firm foundation of who he was, an unshakable man, confident in his abilities, well aware of who he is and who his people are. And Ted is Julie's rock, her place of safety. Same yesterday that he is today and will be tomorrow. Ted, will you have Julie to be your wife? Will you love her, comfort and keep her, and forsaking all others, remain true to her as long as you both shall live?
I will.
And Julie, will you have Ted to be your husband? Will you love him, comfort and keep him, and forsaking all others, remain to him as long as you both shall live? So, Ted and Julie, having witnessed your vows for marriage before God and all who are present here by the authority invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride, Ted.
Mountains made of ice.
Present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Timish.